Hi guys, andito kami sa may One Chan Soup. Ito yung business ni Pulakit, isa sa mga sikat na vlogger dito sa Pangasinan with more than 500,000 followers. At dito yan sa may bayan ng Bugalyon, Pangasinan. Ayan guys, umorder kami ng beef noodles. So yung kinuha namin is yung large na. Kaya sabi ni Kuya, good for 2 to 3 persons na daw yun. Ayun ang aming order. Tapos umorder din kami ng fried dumplings tsaka steamed wonton. Tapos sabi nila guys, yung kanilang noodles is homemade. Ayan, tapos malasang-malasa yung kanilang beef noodles, lalo yung sabaw. Tapos ito yung kanilang fried dumplings guys. Siksik sa laman at masarap siya guys. At pati yung wonton, steamed wonton nila. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching guys. Bye. And yan yung menu.